Alright guys, I'm going to do a little toolbox tour. This is my Snap-on 68-inch Epic. Some of these are name brand. These are all chrome husky. As you can see, got all the chrome adapters, swivels, adapters, extensions, Snap-on, Titan, Husky, Snap-on, Icon, Snap-on, key wrench, Snap-on, key wrench, another Titan. This is the black chrome Matco, 3/8, longer 3/8, and then we got the big boy, the 1/2-inch Pittsburgh, and the super long 27-inch Matco locking flex head. Snap-on impact swivels, deeps, shallows. These are Blue Power by, oh boy, I don't even know who makes Blue Power anymore, Cornwell. These are the Matco ADVs, stubbies, or low profile. Snap-on mid-length. These are just Pittsburgh. And I have some other Pittsburgh. These are Husky swivels. Random assortment of O2 sensor, adapter, swivel, universal. This is a Snap-on locking. And then I got the Milwaukee extractors. And over here we have my 1/2-inch stuff. Husky. These are Walmart Heart brands. They're actually not that bad because they're pretty thin-walled. Husky light, Milwaukee, Coast, Snap-on. This is an awesome flashlight. Pretty new. Pretty bright too. And that top one. Have the Blue Point magnet, Milwaukee headlamp, impact. Oh boy, what do they call those hammer thingy deals? This is a Blue Point filter adapter. Again, that's all that. Random little paper towel holder. It's my wrench drawer. So this is all Husky, but they're pretty big. Goes up to 32 millimeter and 1 1/4 inch on the standard stuff. Allen's, smaller ones. Allen's, these are a little bit driver, Husky. Used to work for a company, and these are Vivint. I'm sure they're just cheap, made in Taiwan stuff. Got my US General magnetic trays. These are awesome for the money. These also came in a Husky set, super teeny. I think they go down to like 4. These are the Icons, stubby ratcheting. They're actually pretty nice for the money. Got a nice little case. These are Matco. Goes up to a 19. These are awesome. Got that 0-degree offset. If I can get that to adjust. Got that spline drive. Again, there's a part number for those wondering. and that goes from a 19 all the way down to a 10, and it does not skip. These are the standards, same wrench Matt goes. Super, super, super handy. 5/16 and part number on that one. Still got a bunch of room in here I haven't really figured out, but this is my screwdriver, plier, hammer drawer. Snap-on, snap ring pliers, these are awesome. These are the new updated ones that have the quick connect and disconnect, whatever they call it. Go from internal, external. This is just a random one that I'd purchased in a pinch. It's another snap-on. There's that part number. There you go. Snap-on. Little side cuts. Small little snap-on. Needle nose. These right here, awesome. These are flush cuts. Super, super sharp. There's the part number on those for those wondering. And got some slip joint. These are awesome. It's a mini version. And I basically have the big version of the side cuts. These are those slip joint, big version. High leverage pliers, these are awesome. I've actually tried that little penny trick everyone does and it actually works, kind of weird. Big needle nose. Here's the part number on those for those wondering. Great pliers. Tips on these, the teeth and jaws on them hold up real well. These I think are just, yeah, some Tecton. Awesome though, duckbill. Pittsburgh hose pliers, nice when you need them. Haven't used them a whole lot, but they're there for when you need them. Milwaukee lineman's plier, like their knockoff of the Nipix Cobras. Wrench pliers, Huskies, side cuts, Milwaukee. These are sweet. These are the Nipix. Here's the part number. We got these off the Matco truck. It's the PW7s. It's the Pliers wrench pliers. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Little mini bolt cutters, incredible when you need them. A lot of power. Cheap pliers, small little Tecton duckbill with a spring in them, super nice for small clips. Milwaukee needle nose, Milwaukee wire strippers. These are actually super nice for the money. Can't ask for more for the price. Part number on those is, there you go, 48, 22, 30, 79. Here's the, also great, got that little comfort grip. And this thing's awesome because you can keep tightening it. You can actually fit a screwdriver in there and turn it. Like the old ones, you had a screw. Same concept, just different jaw on that one. Pittsburgh, don't use these a lot, but when I do, they're all right. Pittsburgh, again, that's one of those, that company I used to work for, probably just cheap Chinese, Taiwan stuff. Another Pittsburgh. These are snap-on, these are incredible. Super smooth. And they got that flank drive. That even marks in inches and millimeters. Awesome, awesome, awesome for the money. Picked those up at a pawn shop for 40 bucks. Snap-on ball peen. This is the, let's see, 16 ounce. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Need to get me a few more of those. It's Tecton 16 ounce dead blow, just a cheap Home Depot special. S-Swing. This hammer's actually super, super awesome. It's a Milwaukee. We got the Milwaukee pipe wrench. Just a cheap China C-clamp. These are my favorite screwdrivers. They still have that old school square grip. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Milwaukee Pick Set. Don't remember what brand these were, or these ones. Lady slippers, whatever they call them. So another Tecton, like 6-in-1 Torx, or 4-in-1 Matco clip. Polar, super, super awesome. Still got a lot of real estate in here to fill in, but we're getting there. This is a new box. Haven't figured out this drawer. It's a new box, haven't figured it out. This is all my torque wrenches. Got the tech angle. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very, very accurate and smooth. Digital Cobalt. It's actually pretty nice for the money. Does angle. Electric digital screen, super nice. Just a cheap Husky 3/8 drive. Cheap Pittsburgh 1/2 inch and small Pittsburgh 1/4 inch torque wrench. Nice for when you need it. Don't use them a lot. That's why I bought the cheap ones. That one, use more, and this one. Milwaukee. It's actually a nice little combo. It came in 3. It's got short ones. It's got a few drill bits in there. Nice. Super, super nice drill bits right here. For those of you wondering, these Milwaukee Cobalt bits are incredible for the money. I think I picked these up for about $100, but compared to that tool truck price, super, super, super nice. These are just the titanium ones, but they're one of my favorite ones because they're chucked, so you can throw them on that little 1/4 inch impact driver. Super, super nice. And some more bits. Small bits for like computer stuff, or small Torx, random fasteners. Milwaukee spade bits, haven't opened those up. Super nice when you need it. I haven't used it much, but nice for when you need it. It's a 35-piece snap-on extractor set. Left-hand bits, easy outs, some shorter ones. Nice for when you need them, but probably could have gotten a little bit cheaper on that one. And super random stuff. I got some Husky straps. This is that, for those wondering, there's my zipper. It's that installation drill. It's actually really, really nice. Comes with 4 different attachment heads. It's clutch, so I like it for that reason. These are nice if cheap. Pittsburgh, but super nice if you need to have a quick one to put in the back of the trunk. Extra gloves. Let's see. This is kind of my random drawer. Have that Milwaukee. Where's the zipper at? upside down, that's why. That M12, or actually I don't know if it is an M12. Yes it is. Borescope, super nice. Don't use it a lot, but it's handy when you need it. Love my Milwaukee stuff. Incredible for the money. Graco TC Pro or something like that. Headphones. Actually been a great heat gun. I think I picked it up on a special for $8. This isn't the M12, but infrared. Super nice when you need it. Or thermal imager laser. Small little Matco OBD2 reader. Nice. Don't need it a lot, but nice when I have it. Metabo 18 gauge rad nailer. It's actually a respirator mask. Just got that, haven't opened it. Really nice Milwaukee grinder. Here's the handle. And that wraps up that drawer. Here's my extra stuff that couldn't fit. So I have a crap load of Makita batteries. This thing's actually really nice. Have that right angle 3/8 impact. Extended reach Milwaukee. Cutoff tool, really nice. The drill M18 1/4 inch. This has actually been super nice. It's only the 300, but it's really nice when you need it. My wife made me this awesome custom sticker. It actually fits really nice. I'll zoom out here in a second, and then probably my favorite drawer, my power drawer. So I've got a lot of Milwaukee stuff. Got my 2 rapid chargers. Can't really see that well, but I got a ton of batteries under there. Got 2 12s back there. Let's see, a 6, an 8, compact 3, another 2 12s, and another 8.0 high output. Probably my favorite stubby M12 3/8. Start with the small stuff. Got the M12 Drill. Super nice because it's compact. I actually pick up my 12 volt stuff more than anything. Got the impact driver, 1/4 inch. Again, favorite M12. Got that M12 die grinder. Super nice. Don't normally keep batteries and everything, but this is one of their older ones. Fuel still, but let's see. Here's a part number for those wondering. But it's a little 3/8 impact wrench. It's actually really nice. It's handy. I use this a lot just to not beat up my other stuff quite yet. I have 2, that new M18. Is that 3/8? Here's the part number for those wondering. And I also have the same one, but in a 1/2 inch anvil. Super nice. Picked up both of them because sometimes you need a little more space with the 1/2 inch instead of a 3/8, and I got quite a bit of 3/8 sockets, but nice when you need it. Here's the mid torque. Can't see the part number that well because it's got this protective boot, but unreal for the power and the size of this one. It's that newer one. Lights up front. And then we got the big dog. Don't use this much. Honestly, haven't used it that much at all, but for when you need it, incredible power. Here's the part number. It's that 1/2 inch. Has the big high torque Milwaukee. Well, looks like that one's done. Yeah, and for those wondering, I actually do use my tools. I just like to wipe them down after I'm done using them. But again, 68-inch Epic, brand new. There's that sticker my wife I was telling you made me. Super nice. I'm gonna have her make me the snap-on lettering to put it right here on the bottom. Got a little knee creeper down there. Again, unreal box. A lot coming with this one. Just need to get some stuff figured out. Got some stuff ordered to organize some more sockets and stuff. Random fasteners I got sitting inside the house. Was messing around with this, trying to paint it. We'll snap on 10 millimeter reversible flank drive. Letting that dry up. Some automotive paint, touch-up paint. There's that flank drive plus for those wondering. Got those teeth, but trying to make it a little more visible. Again, that's some automotive touch-up paint. Just letting it dry up so before I touch anything. Little roll, but yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, again, I got some more stuff coming, but haven't really gotten around to unboxing it, or some of it hasn't showed up. But yeah, see you guys next time.